How to log in Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card. If you want to log into Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card account, simply follow along. Start by opening your default web browser in your device. Search for Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card Login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card. As soon as you get into this link, you will be taken to the home page. In this screen, you will find Login Page 2 in the welcome format. Enter your username, then enter your password. Tick check on Remember Me and tap on Use Token if you want to. And finally tap on Sign In. There are other options present like Forgot your username/password, which you can tap to recover the personal ID. And you can even tap on Not Enroll Sign Up Account to sign up for new account. And this was everything you need to know about logging in to Marriott Bonvoy Credit Card online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.